A small group of pure-hearted saviors
Microwave.
evil committed by their race. The good
Microwave.
to lead a revolt against the bad, and to ensure victory, pooled their powers to create a savior.
Microwave.
The savior easily defeated the evil savior's
Microwave.
power, but he then vanished as quickly as he came, as the energy the
Microwave.
him could not last for long. In time, evil again took root on planet Vegeta, and the memory of the
Microwave.
became myth, nearly lost altogether. But I still know how to
I've never heard him talk for this long. Are you following all this, Vegeta? He's explaining it.
Microwave.
His hearts must join hands and instill their inner light into another. With his friend's energy flowing through him, this
Microwave.
can take the form of a super.
Microwave.
I have given you the knowledge you desired. Your wish has been fulfilled. Please excuse me.
Still looks like regular Goku to me.
Well, yeah, basically. But look at his hair. It's turned completely red.
I think he dropped a few pounds too. It's weird. I can't get a read on his power.
Are you pleased, Beerus? It seems their efforts have been quite successful.
Yes, it's my reward for being so patient.
Wait, really? So you think I've actually transformed into a super...